Hello children, we have already discussed about reaction of metal with oxygen, reaction of metal with water, and today we will discuss about reaction of metal with dilute acid. Clear? Dilute acid. What they will form? When metal react with dilute acid, they form metal salt along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Clear? When metal react with dilute acid, they form metal salt along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Clear? For example, Zn. Zn plus HCl gives you ZnCl2 plus H2. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid, it forms zinc chloride along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Highly reactive metal like sodium, when it reacts with HCl, hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Magnesium also, when react with hydrochloric acid, it forms magnesium chloride along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. So, but another metal like copper. Copper does not react with hydrochloric acid. That means if we react copper with no reaction will form. No reactant will form. Clear? So every metal doesn't react in the same way. Suppose iron, if we react iron with HCl, then it forms iron chloride along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Magnesium, aluminium. So today you will write when metal react with dilute acid, it forms metal salt along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Some of the metal are highly reactive, some of the metal are less reactive. Clear? All metal doesn't. Now, if we take the example of non-metal, what will happen when non-metal react with dilute acid? It doesn't displace hydrogen from acid. For example, non-metal like copper, sulfur, phosphorus do not react with dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid to produce hydrogen gas. Clear? I am telling the non-metal like copper, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. when they do not react with dilute hydrochloric acid means HCl or dilute sulfuric acid means H2SO4 to produce hydrogen gas. They do not displace hydrogen from the acid. Yeah. If non-metal like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus are put in a test tube containing dilute sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid, they never evolve, but they never produce hydrogen gas. That means non-metal does not produce hydrogen gas when react with dilute acid. Clear? Metal produce hydrogen gas as well as they form metal salt. So today you will write about reaction of metal with dilute acid and reaction of non-metal with dilute acid. It doesn't form hydrogen gas. So have you understand till now what is the difference between metal and non-metal? What happens when metal react with oxygen? They form metal oxide. Metal oxide is bimetallic oxide. Metallic oxide is basic in nature. Whereas on the other hand, non-metallic oxide is acidic in nature. When metal react with water, I said yesterday, all metal does not react in the same way. Some metal react in hot water, some in cold water, some in steam. When metal react with hot water and cold water, they form metallic hydroxide. And evolution of hydrogen gas, some of the metal becomes hot, they form exothermic reaction. Whereas when metal react with steam, they form metal oxide. Remember, when metal react with cold water and hot water, they form metallic hydroxide. But when metal react with steam and bhap, they form metal oxide. Now today we studied about when metal react with acid. They form salt, metallic salt by metal salt along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. I gave you example also sodium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc. And on the other hand, when non-metal react with dilute acid, they doesn't form hydrogen gas. They will not form any salt. Clear? So today you write up to this. Thank you children.